Hi guys, it's Moz here, and on the workbench I have a subscription box that you can get from Spruebox, and I'm going to open to see what I get inside. So guys, if you don't know, there's a guy called Model Officer, and he has his own shop selling model kits and model accessories, and he has set up a little subscription sort of membership for his channel, and I've signed up to it just to support him. He's a quality guy. He's I think he's quite high up in Models for Heroes, if you call it high up, a massive volunteer for them. And he said, look, I'm doing a subscription box, would you like to join in and see what it's like? And I said, yeah, I'll have a go at it, because you don't see many subscription boxes, do you, for modelling, unless you go to D'Agostini and then you're paying out your ass for it, sort of thing. But yeah, so he sent me this box, so I'm going to open it to see what I get inside. So I'm a little bit excited about what I'm going to get. Okay, quite a big box, and inside bubble wrap. So looks like you get a model, and you get some bits of foam, I think. So let's have a look what's in here. So let's just get rid of the bubble wrap. We don't need the bubble wrap. You get a pack of Haribos, which is pretty nice. I'll have them later. And you'll get in 2 pieces of foam, or a bit of a chunk out of that one, unfortunately, but hey ho. So there's some foam. I presume that he's going to get us to build a diorama. So there's some roof tiles there, and looks like I think that's like a chimney. I think looks like a chimney. So you get like a ton of, I presume, 3D printed roof tiles or something. So you got them, and also in the box you are getting some sort of model kit. I don't think there's anything else in the box, is there? Nope, nothing in the box. Okay, let's drag this down a little bit closer. There you go. Right, let's have a look here. So we just cut this open carefully, and inside the box you get so it looks like, yeah, some cardboard there. Quite thick board, actually, to be fair. Another piece of this is quite solid, actually, so I'm presuming that you've got to be making some sort of diorama with this. And here's the MiniArt kit. Very nice. Let's have a little look inside. So inside the kit, so you're getting a 1:35 scale Bantam 40 BRC, and this is the instruction booklet for this. Let's have a little look, shall we? General instructions. So oof, wow, quite detailed, looks like. So you're going to start off with the engine, put the engine together. Just seeing, does it give the colours? B5, B6, B4, B36. So B36, no, that's not the colours, is it? Suppose you have to pick the colours yourself. And then you're looks like you're putting the chassis together, putting the engine in. Then you've got your springs, and you've got your diff, and some sort of prop shaft there, some axles there, looks like. So looks like they come as one piece, those axles, don't they? Yeah. Then you're working on the body itself. A couple of gear sticks there, 4-wheel drive sticks, pedal tops on there. Yeah, putting all that together. There's some PE involved as well here, looks like. Couple of seats, put it all together, and then the wheels. Then you're putting on the bonnet, some added extras there. Is that a machine gun to go on the back? It looks like. Is that a machine gun? Some first aid, or some magazine boxes there. So yeah, some PE straps as well, and there you go. And then you also, looks like you've got some figures to build as well. Yeah, and there's the 2 schemes you can do. Let's have a look inside. Right. Very nice indeed. Okay, so in here I presume is the photo etch. There it is. Let's pull it out. Some nice photo etch there. Put it on the camera there, as you can see. Nice bit of photo etch on that piece, which is cool. Inside, I won't open this bag, but you can see there's a decal sheet and there's some glass there for the windows, for the windscreens. So I'll put that to one side. Then you have your sprues, which are crisp as anything. Some nice quality detail there. Very nice. There's the wheels there. There's the chassis. Some springs there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels and a spare. There's your engine part there. Quite a simple engine really, looks like. And on this piece here, you've got some helmets. Looks like a shovel. So it looks like you're going to build some figures with this one as well. There's a lovely little rifle there. Some bits and pieces again. What's this for? Not too sure what that's for. I think that's for the machine gun, isn't it? Yeah, it's for the machine gun, which is on the box there. And I like this because this must be a bit of a delicate piece. And they've actually cut it there, I suppose, just to give it a little bit, so it does wiggle. It's very, very fine there. Whoops. Very, very fine there. But yeah, there's the body of the truck, nicely detailed. Very nice indeed. Looks like the seats. Is that the seats? Might be the seats. Steering wheel. Yeah, and there's your gear sticks and your bits and pieces on there. There's that one, and then you get another sprue for figures. Yeah, interesting. This is quite a nice looking kit, to be honest. This isn't a weekend project. Definitely not. Gonna put these back in carefully. Like so. Let's put that down there. Put the one part. And then just close this box up. So yeah, so it looks like it's going to be a diorama build for this one, which I think is quite a nice little idea. Now, if you want, you go onto the Spruebox website and you sign up to be a subscriber, and there's I think they're £15 a month, and you get a kit and extras, and you also get a live stream of building this kit, which is quite good, with James, model officer, every 3 months. So I think so. This cost me about £45. Plus you get some instruction from James, who does know his stuff. I'm a bit annoyed about that, so maybe that should come off in the box. I'll have a look in a minute. But yeah, there you go. That is just a quick review and a little bit of a shout out to James, who's now doing this. So if you fancy signing up to do a subscription box like this, then go to his website. His website is www.spruebox.co.uk, and also you get to be in his members area too. Anyway, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because it really does help the channel. Just click subscribe, touch the bell, select all, and you will not miss another video from this channel. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, because I do reply. Big thank you and shout out to the channel members who you can see on the screen. If you want to become a channel member of this channel, click on join, and membership start from £1.99. If you've not seen my previous video, click here. And if you've not seen the catalogue videos that I've done, click here.